revamping. We got Mama Marie. I feel like I've had like a disconnect. Birthday week.
My baby.
So thanks for being my therapist right now.
This is huge.
Good morning. Actually, it's very much good afternoon. We have to be honest there. Today we're starting the vlog off strong. We're doing some errands. First stop is Home Goods. I'm looking for a canvas and I'm really hoping we can find one there that's cheaper. If not, we can go to Michael's. Let's go. Ooh. I love a Home Goods. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to come to Home Goods first is because I saw people on TikTok saying how they just bought paintings that were really discounted, and if they were painting over them, it didn't matter, especially if you're doing textured stuff, which is what I want to do. So now I'm in my DIY art era. I'm an artiste. Like this big of a canvas would normally be like hundreds of dollars, and it's only $180, which is a lot, don't get me wrong. But again, for this size, no offense to the artist, but I would cover it. I feel like it's a little big for the space, actually. This size is only $39. Way, way, way cheaper. Okay, wait, I found this canvas. It doesn't have a price tag. I feel like it was supposed to have a frame, but this is the perfect size. I love this. Like, I wish this could fit in my office behind my desk, but there's not room for it, but I love that. We're now in Michael's. We're getting some paints, getting some new brushes. I'm really excited for this. I feel like it's actually gonna look really cool. I'm just looking for some more of that grout stuff. Also, I think I'm still gonna get some other canvases because I feel like this one's thicker than the other one, and I feel like I might like the thicker look. I feel like it looks a little more luxe and expensive, and it's a little bigger, I think, so. Craft haul. Molding paste. I think this is just paint. Yeah, no. An opaque matte white ground. Apply to surface and prepare for painting. I feel like that's it. I'm also the type of person to never want to ask for help. Like, I could have saved so much time if I just asked. All right, I think we got the goods. All right. Awesome. We got it. It's really hot. All right, we are home now. I was filming this for a main channel, but the canvas is drying. No idea if it's gonna look good. Okay, canvas is drying like I said. I'm gonna show you a little snack that I've been loving. It's not that groundbreaking, but it's so good. This has been my favorite, honestly, summer snack as of late. And what you need are tomatoes, cucumber, watermelon, the star of the show. Actually, I think the star of the show is low-key the mint. And then lime, lemon, optional. I've been trying to make food at home way more often, and one of my favorite Mediterranean places sells this watermelon mint salad, and it is so good. It's also very easy to make yourself. So I'm just gonna take this entire watermelon and we're gonna put it in the container. Then we're gonna chop up this cucumber. What's her name do it? Like this. You could do this messy. I personally like chopping it really thin. Like, I like thin cut stuff. Is this the safest way to cut this? No. Okay, that's good. Cucumber. For my IBS girlies, peel the cucumber. The skin is one of the most like bloating things. Do I have IBS? Yes. Did I do it? No. Dice that tomato up. I'm really not a bad cook. I know I order food a lot. I'm just a lazy cook. I hate chopping things up. And I'm also a really bad like presentation cook. For me, as long as it tastes good, that's all I care about. I don't care if it is appetizing looking at all. The mint is what makes this. It basically just tastes like a watermelon mojito. Also, it tastes better the longer it like sits because the mint just gets absorbed by like everything. Lime. I feel like this is a true non-negotiable. Also, if you don't have one of these like lemon lime squeezers, you absolutely need to get it. I got this one off Amazon. I'm just gonna have it linked below for you. The worst thing ever is when you have a paper cut and then you try to squeeze a lime or a lemon. Yeah, I personally like a whole lime. Really get that juice up in there. I think I'll just do half a lemon. Also, what's nice about this is if you want to, have like a little summer cocktail, you could always just blend this up. Add a little Tito's, add a little tequila. Shake it up. Like I said, it's so much better if you let it sit. Obviously you could eat it now, but let it sit for just like, honestly, ideally a day, but I'm a house now. And there you go. Again, it may not look that appetizing. Y'all, this smells is so good. Gonna eat this. I just did a thumbnail, and I honestly would love your guys' opinion. I just did a thumbnail for a vlog that's not up yet, and I'm kind of, okay, I would love like the diehards opinion. If you watch my vlogs a lot, and if you've watched them for a while, and even if you don't, like, still want your opinion. Do you guys prefer the montage in the beginning of my vlogs? I used to do that a lot, and then because of Vlogmas, because I had my normal intros for Vlogmas, I cut the montage and I stopped bringing them in. I think I miss them. I feel like it just set the tone for like, I don't know. I really like how my vlogs have been editing wise, but I feel like the crazy montage kind of matches my personality more. I don't know. Please let me know. Also, I'm playing with doing my thumbnails also kind of how I used to with the collage. I just feel like it kind of tells the story more. I don't know. Needless to say, I would just love your guys' opinion, your constructive criticism of what you like about the vlogs, what you miss about the old vlogs. Honestly, I feel like the issue is, even though I don't upload that often, I've been trying to do longer vlogs, and I think it's only because I've been trying to please everyone, because I think everyone like says they like longer vlogs, but my old vlogs were always like 10 minutes, and I would upload more frequently. I feel like I'm constantly vlogging, but when I look at my channel, I'm like, how have I hardly uploaded? And I just think it's because they're longer. So I don't know. Part of me wants to get, like, instead of a 20-minute vlog, I think I'd rather it just be split into 2. I don't know. We're revamping. Honestly, I'm just trying to figure out what's best for me and what I feel good with. So let me know in the comments. Would greatly appreciate it. Also, I'm very proud. The main channel videos are in full force. I have 2 that could go up this weekend, which is really exciting. One has a lot more editing to do. The other one's pretty much good to go. So I think I'm gonna upload the questions I've been avoiding one, which will be up by the time you see this vlog, which is insane. So go to my main channel, make sure you got, you know, hit the bell, subscribe, all that ish. Also in that questions I've avoided thing, I talk about TK not working for me anymore, what's going on with Parallel Apparel. Like, it's actually a really, really good video. So please go watch it. It would mean so much. I'll have it linked in the description box. Okay, Shop Alicia Marie is coming back. I don't know exactly when, but it's gonna be coming back, and we decided to do a Christmas in July sale. By the time you see this, Shop Alicia Marie is having 50% off every single thing that's on the website. I know. Insane. Honestly, just trying to clear everything out so we can kind of start fresh and figure out exactly what we want to do, but none of that stuff is going to be coming back. None of it's going to be restocked. So if you want anything on the site, now is the time to get it. So if you've been debating, this is the month to get everything. And yeah, I feel like things have been really good. I'm just excited to be home and make good content for you guys, because again, I like genuinely miss you, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I've had like a disconnect, not from you guys. I just feel like from, I don't know, like my groove and uploading my groove. I sound old being like, oh my God, I got my groove back. But like, that's how I low-key feel. I'm like, I just want to get, I don't like how much I haven't been uploading, even though I feel like I've been filming a lot. So thanks for being my therapist right now. Please again, give me constructive criticism on the vlogs and the main channel and stuff. And you also should really make the snack because it's so freaking good. Special guest with us today, who's probably not gonna want to be on camera.
It's okay.
We got Mama Marie. She's visiting. We went to the farmer's market and we're just getting some good organic stuff because she loves her organic food. That looks so good.
They all look good.
Yeah.
So this has 3 blackberries.
Oh, I like one of each.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. This is my first time trying a mango nectarine and it was heavenly.
5 even plates altogether for you.
Anything else you want specifically?
No.
I feel like we got so much already.
We're doing good. Just Alfred.
You want Alfred?
don't have to have it.
No, we can get it.
Only if you want it.
We didn't get coffee. I tried the new Peachy Palmer iced tea. What'd you get? Oh, look how cute we are.
I forgot what I got.
All right, first sip. I think it's like a peach Arnold Palmer. Oh, it's so good, but it's so sweet.
Really?
It's like so sweet. Let me stir it.
You
Hold
know,
on.
lift the straw up. Maybe it's better.
I always blow bubbles.
That works.
Oh shit.
Oh shoot.
Maybe don't blow bubbles.
Look, someone took your billboard.
I know, I used to have a billboard there. Is that crazy? Oh, way better, way better, way better. I think I got all the syrup. Good thing I'm wearing workout clothes because I just spilled that all over me. All right, this house is a mess, but here is a farmer's market haul. I think I did these in my literal last vlog. Maybe the one before that. Also, Murph, you left your sunglasses here and I definitely wore them. I hope that is okay. They're in great condition, don't you worry. Obviously we got the tea. Once I mixed it, it was 1,000,000% better. First thing we got, avocados. Those mango nectarines, which, oh my God, Remy, if you are watching this, the next time you go to the farmer's market, you have to get these. I'm so glad I tried the little tester, which obviously that's why those are there in the first place, because I would have had no idea about these. Mango nectarines. Then they got a little mixed up, but we got raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They smell great. Kind of feel like making a big fruit salad. My mom got eggs. I just bought some. Otherwise, I would have got those. Some romaine, white peaches. Oh, peaches and nectarines. And then we also got some plums. And that is the end of Alicia's farmer's market haul. Now I have to pick that up.
Bye, Lou.
Bye, Bubba.
Bye-bye. I see you soon.
This is Mom's first time seeing the PB studio.
That's right. It's beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Would you ever do an episode?
Maybe.
Everyone,
Someday.
comment below if Mama Marie should be on an episode.
Absolutely. You do so well. It'd be so good.
I would need lots of help.
We could do one with my mom too.
Yeah, we'll do a mom's episode.
Okay,
We keep talking about it, but we'll do it. Oh my God, and we'll get you guys glammed.
Oh my God.
I love it. That'd be so good.
I love it. Perfect. Obviously, we're at the studio now, and it's the next day. Birthday week!
My baby.
Happy birthday, my love!
God, I can finally legally drink.
It's the next day. This vlog has been so many days. Today is actually the 4th of July, and tomorrow Rem and Ollie are going to New York for his birthday trip. I am sadly staying home. I'm so sick. You're like, I didn't know. Imagine you didn't know.
I didn't know.
No, you didn't.
I thought you were coming.
No, you knew.
To leave it, me.
But we're celebrating today.
That's a real Alicia. Keep that in.
We're gonna chill today. We have a dinner reservation at Mastro's, and the last time I was at Mastro's was for your birthday. So good.
Weird.
We're all reunited.
Reunited. I'm so thirsty.
Oh, that's so funny. It's like I used your water bottle at my tripod.
I'm scared.
I have your birthday present. First, the card.
Here we go. Here we go.
What?
It's always so awkward getting gifts.
I get it.
This is so me.
No, literally, I went all black aesthetic.
Someone licked the envelope.
I did. I'm a licker.
What is this? Oh God, I'm scared.
Why?
The end of the letter. I'm like, what does this mean? I did.
What does it say?
You want me to read it out loud?
You can.
Okay. My baby, my Alika, my monkey, happy birthday. I love you so much. I've never had a friend as fiercely friend. Weird. Ollie Marie, you are the full underlying package. LOL. I couldn't get you beep, but hopefully this will help. LMAO. XO loves you.
Oh my God. It's a massive dildo.
Whoa, this is heavy. This is heavy. What is it?
I don't know.
Wait,
No,
it's really
open it,
heavy.
babe. Just open it.
Oh my God. This is huge. I can't even get it out. This is the biggest crystal I've ever received.
Holy shit.
I can't even get it out. It's so heavy. I love it.
I hope you love
Did you have to do this paper?
Sorry.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh.
Holy mackerel.
Oh my God, Alicia. This is crazy.
I knew you'd get some. That's why I was
Wait,
trying.
Matt, you're supposed to die. I'm sure you already know. The little card should be in here
That
of
is
what
just
it.
It's a quartz crystal.
That is a weapon.
Here it is.
Oh, just right back on the table that I just put everything
There you
on.
go.
My favorite store, Spellbound Sky, master healing crystal for amplification of intention and enhanced spiritual connection. Thank you so much.
That is so
This is crazy.
beautiful.
This is the biggest crystal I own.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I'm doing some last minute touches editing wise, but I would love for it to go up in the morning and I just wanted to end it. I will see you guys really soon with the next vlog. I love you guys. Mwah.
He got vision, bing, 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 bing. He got vision, he got vision, he got vision, bing, 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 bing. He got vision, he got got bitches, he got bitches, he got bitches, he got bitches.